Hi guys, welcome to the session. My name is Prakash, Math Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Given a matrix into x is equals to 7 and 6. So this is the matrix is given and we need to write this matrix, in the order of x, and then we need to find the matrix x. See here, the given a matrix is in the form of Ax is equals to B. So where A is the matrix and the B is 7, 6. So the first thing we need to write the order of matrix X. Write the order of matrix X. So where A matrix is 2, 1, minus 3, 4 and the B is 7, 6. So how to write the matrix of X, order of the matrix X? So if Ax is equals to B, so we need to write the matrix of X. So just move that A to right hand side, we'll get X is equals to inverse matrix of A into B. So where A is the 2, 1, minus 3 and 4. Find the A inverse for this. So how to find the A inverse? A inverse is 1 by 4 times of 2 times of 4 is 8 and minus 3 into 1 is 1 minus 3 and we have one more minus, so 8 plus 3 into 4 minus 1 3 2. So and here B is 7 comma 6, 7, 6. So now plug these values into this X is equals to A inverse B and write the order of matrix X. So we know that X is nothing but XY. So XY is equals to 1 by 11 into 4 minus 1 3 2 into 7 6. Now this is the order of the matrix X. Now find the matrix X. So for that we just need to multiply this A inverse and B so that we'll get the matrix X. So we can write it as X comma Y is equals to 1 by 11 into 4 times of 7 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 into 6, 3 times of 7 plus 2 times of 6, and write down that 1 by 11 and then 4 7s are 28 and minus 1 into 6 is 6 minus 6 and 3 times of 3 is 21 minus 12, 21 plus 12. So we'll get 28 minus 1 by 11 into 28 minus 6 is nothing but 22. So 21 plus 12 which is 33. So we have 1 by 11 outside the bracket, so we outside the matrix, so we need to divide 22 and 33 by 11. So we'll get, so the X matrix X comma Y equals to 22 and divided by 11 is 2 and 3. So we can conclude that this is the matrix X and where X is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.